Good evening, India. Welcome back to BJ English News, where we bring you the latest headlines.
Hemant Soren expands cabinet with 11 new ministers. Jharkhand CM Hemant Soren expanded his cabinet with 11 ministers taking oath in a ceremony at Raj Bhavan's Ashok Garden. The reshuffle retained 5 ministers from the previous government while bringing in new faces. Notably, the forward caste category received no representation. Senior JMM leader Stephen Marandi was sworn in as pro tem speaker. New inductees include JMM's Sudivya Kumar Sonu, Yogendra Prasad, and Chamar Linda. Congress added Irfan Ansari, Deepika Singh Pandey, Radha Krishna Kishore, and Silpi Neha Tirke. RJD included Sanjay Yadav. This restructuring aims to enhance inclusivity and governance in the state. Irfan Ansari's Bengali feast sparks political conversations. Congress MLA Irfan Ansari hosted a Bengali themed feast at his Ranchi home during the cabinet expansion. The event, featuring dishes prepared by Bengali chefs, invited mixed reactions due to its timing amidst discussion on Bangladeshi infiltration. Critics questioned the optics while supporters viewed it as a celebration of cultural diversity. Ansari, known for his bold statements, added a regional dimensions to political debates in Jharkhand. His actions have sparked discussions about inclusivity and political strategy, showcasing the complexities of balancing social and political narratives. Tejasvi Yadav seeks rescheduling of BPSC preliminary exam. Tejasvi Yadav, Bihar's opposition leader, urged CM Nitish Kumar to reschedule the BPSC 70th preliminary exam, citing technical issues that prevented aspirants from applying. He criticized the Bihar Public Service Commission for calling affected candidates non-serious. Concerns over normalization practices and examination methodology were also highlighted. Yadav emphasized the need for transparent systems and equitable opportunities. Warning of protests if demands are ignored, he stressed fairness in administrative processes. This intervention has brought student grievances into the political spotlight. Hemant Soren's cabinet balances experience and new energy. Jharkhand CM Hemant Soren expanded his cabinet, swearing in 11 ministers in Raj Bhavan's Ashok Garden. The coalition government included 6 JMM members, 4 Congress leaders, and 1 RJD representative. Key names like Deepika Singh Pandey and Sanjay Yadav reflect an emphasis on diversity and harmony. Former Minister Dr. Rameshwar Oran may take on legislative leadership instead of a cabinet role. The reshuffle demonstrates the government's intent to blend experienced leaders with fresh faces to address governance challenges effectively. Farmers' issues central to India's progress, JDU states. JDU spokesperson Neeraj Kumar emphasized farmers' pivotal role in India's growth, urging meaningful dialogue to address their concerns. Responding to VP Jagdeep Dhankar's remark, Kumar stressed boosting agricultural morale. He criticized opposition leaders for politicizing sensitive issues and called for harmony amid unrest in Sambal, Uttar Pradesh. Meanwhile, Congress leaders Rahul and Priyanka Gandhi faced resistance during a protest visit. Kumar's comments highlight the urgency of suitable solutions to uplift farmers and foster national development.